Someone's asking if we're making big brake kits for the B9. We are. We just happen to have one of our production calipers here. So this is a 8-piston caliper, fully forged monoblock style caliper with 8 pistons. The piston sizing is we have engineered the piston sizing specifically for the performance and weight and braking dynamics of the B9 vehicles. This, I believe, is our nickel plated finish, and it has a beautiful 034 engraved here. And this will go on a massive rotor that, what's the size of that? 390 millimeter rotor. So please don't ask us when these are shipping, but they're in manufacturing. We're working with world-class caliper manufacturers. These aren't just like something we got from China. In fact, this company's main business is calipers for airplanes, aerospace. Like when the 747 hits the runway doing 150 miles an hour. Anyways, more to come, but wanted to just tease that.